Science.
Can a scientist actually clone a dinosaur from bird DNA? Great question, Scott. Let's start with the first part of your question. Can scientists actually clone dinosaurs? Well, to clone or make a copy of a dinosaur, we would need dino DNA, or the instructions that make a dinosaur a dinosaur. Turns out that is easier said than done. DNA breaks down over time. Scientists estimate that even in perfect conditions, which almost never happen, DNA would be unrecognizable after about 6 million years, which is nowhere near the 65 million years we would need for dino DNA. But there is another way, which brings us back to your question, Scott. When trying to bring an animal back from extinction, like the woolly mammoth, we've turned to their closest relatives, like the Asian elephant in the case of the mammoth. Well, dinosaurs have plenty of relatives alive today. Birds. That's where paleontologist Jack Horner comes in. Not only is he the inspiration for the character of Alan Grant in Jurassic Park, but he's also the scientific advisor on all of the films. In his Dino Chicken project, he's studying how to reverse genetically engineer a chicken into a dinosaur. Animals all have pieces of leftover DNA from our ancestors that we no longer use. That's why snakes can sometimes be born with little legs. By looking at pieces of DNA or genes from their dinosaur ancestors deep in the genetic code of a chicken, he's shown how you can give a chicken teeth or a reptilian snout. However, it seems the trail is definitely the trickiest part. So Scott, while we may not be able to get dino DNA from 65 million-year-old fossils, we can work backwards. That being said, I wouldn't expect to see a dino chicken anytime soon. Thanks again for your question, Scott, and if you have a science question you want answered, send us an email to askscience@ctsciencecenter.org. Thank you.